Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off watch history on YouTube. There are actually a few ways to open up your YouTube history controls on your mobile device, but the options may vary depending on your Google account, app version, and device model. If you have more than one Google account, you may need to choose the correct one at some point in the process. First, open the YouTube app, tap your profile photo, or open the U tab and hit the gear icon. Then, select your data in YouTube. Tap on Next to YouTube Watch History in the YouTube Controls section. Next, tap the Turn Off button in the YouTube History section. You don't have to worry about unchecking any subsettings below the button because they'll automatically be disabled after turning your history off. However, unchecking all the subsettings will also pause your YouTube history. After tapping Turn Off, YouTube will explain that pausing YouTube history may limit or disable more personalized experience across Google services. Tap the Pause button to confirm, bringing you to a page declaring that the setting is off. Turning off your watch history will not clean up your YouTube homepage alone. This only ensures that future plays on YouTube won't influence the home screen recommendations. Now that you've paused your YouTube history, you can delete your past activity. Tap the Delete Old Activity link in the middle of the confirmation page. Then, choose All Time for a clean slate. Open the library. Then choose View or View All next to your watch history. Tap the vertical ellipsis in the top right and choose Clear All Watch History. Next, hit Delete or Clear Watch History depending on the route you took to confirm your intentions and wipe your watch history. If you choose Got It, after pausing your watch history and select Manage All History or Manage your YouTube watch history when beginning to delete your YouTube watch history, you can just delete the current day's history or choose a custom date range to wipe instead of deleting your entire history. This is useful if you want some recommendation on your YouTube homepage to stick around but get rid of others. You can also tap the X next to any video or date in your history to delete just some videos or videos for a whole day. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.